Vi, we've been a couple for 16 years. Sobrang tagal na talaga. Actually, yung iba, nag-iisip ako, tuloy ba talaga sa kasal? Kasi parang overdue na talaga. Yun nga, minsan tatawa na lang. Pero marami kasi nangyari sa atin na, di ba? We've been delaying things, we want everything to be perfect, we want to plan. Most of the time we plan. Bisa na what we do, we plan a lot. And sometimes because of planning, natitigil or hindi na tutuloy mga nangyayari. But I know when I met you, I know that tayo na talaga. I know. Because you've been there for me through my rough times, and you forgave me with all the things that I've done. And we've been together every time na nandiyan ka lagi sa akin. And hindi ko na ako sa'yo. Pero most of the time, I know you're the one who's been hanging on to our relationship. And I really thank you for that. And I promise to be there for you till the end. And 16 years, you're still here. Tumanda na tayo. Yung tatay ko nakakalakad pa dati ngayon hindi. Ang plano ko kasi maganda sana yung lakad eh. But we're here. We're here. I know we're older, but I know that we're wiser. We're more mature now and more ready to face the new challenges that will come to our lives. And I'm really confident that we can do it all because we've done it for the past 16 years. And I'm always here for you, and I'm committed with our relationship, and I love you, and I love you forever. Mahal naman kita.
Hi, Pai. I'm very glad that this is happening with our family and friends. It actually gives me goosebumps and kilig to finally call you my husband. Like kita tinatawag ng kung ano-ano, Mahalski, Pai, Boleski, Sweetie, lahat ng mga kung ano ng tawag. And I can't make more call of endearment for you. I'm very happy how we started, and I can already see where life is taking us. I really cannot imagine life without you. And like kung naalala, sabi ng mami bago siya namatay, mabait yan si Michael. Kahit bedridden na siya, lagi niya sinasabi, mabait na bata naman yan si Michael. Ay noon pa man, hindi ko na nakita ang sarili ko sa iba. Remember, never tayo nag-break kahit one day. Kahit pasok kusa tayo minsan. I was happy with you, but now I can see that I'm happier and more in love with you. The question is, ano bang ginawa mo? Bakit andito pa din ikaw? Ano ba? Bakit andito pa din ako? Bakit andito pa rin tayo after all the struggles that we've been through? Which is halos lahat na ata na pagdaanan natin. Kahit 34 pa lang ako, 38 ka. Sinabi ko talaga yun. To be honest, parang wala kang ginawa. Wala kang ginawa to work this through relationship. You have just been you. Naging ikaw. Naging selfless ka. Naging just you. I think right now, God was more in between us. Remember the greatest obstacle that we've had last year? Hindi ka na tayo hiwalay. But instead of breaking apart, mas lalo tayong naging matatag and mas naging closer to God. And I'm very happy where that obstacle has brought us. We have been through everything, as in, alam mo yan, everything. And gaya ng sabi mo sa akin, you have felt na tayo talaga ever since. Lalo na sa mga tinginan natin. At hanggang may pag-iisip ko yung sinabi mo sa akin yung pinipilig ako. Ikaw yung number 1 na nangiinis sa akin, pero ikaw yung number 1 na nakakapagpasaya sa akin. And naaalala ko yung mga time that we are in our lowest days. You have always been there for me since 2008. Naalala ko din yung first time na nagka-baby ako, hinugasan mo ako. Naalala ko din yung time na walang-wala tayo, andito, pero andito pa din tayo. Lumaban and until now, nagmamahalan. We always recuperate, our relationship always recuperate. So all I can say now is, you're the man, the one who restart it over and over. Hindi ako masasawa magsimula paulit-ulit with you. And for the million times time, I will always say over and over without getting tired that I love you forever. Mahal kita, asawa ko, mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Love you, man.